Emocije koje sam doživio kad sam igrao za reprezentaciju i kad sam dao golove, da rijetko kad ću ih pronaći u Juventusu, u Romi ili u Leču.
Evo, nevjerovatno šta i kuda je! Gol! Damjanović! 1-1! Damjanović, ali mora je pasti gol! Preživjeli su dva puta i ovdje u ovom fliperu, ali Damjanović je čovjek pod trećnom zvijezdom.
Listen as the crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. 1 minute I held the key. Next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain. Once you've gone, it was never an honest word. That was when I ruled the world.
I dalje Vukčević, Savić.